Surface finish obviously can make a casting look great, especially if it's not a hidden part. It's something that's going to be seen. So you can do anything from powder coating, anodizing. You can even get a mirror finish polish on it. I know we've got a couple parts here that, especially zinc, can do really great mirror finish polish on it and chromate afterwards, because it's something that is seen by, is visible to the eye, so you want it to look great.
Yeah, I think Rachel mentioned it. What part of the, what are we working on here? What's the end use? Is this going to be hidden from sight? Does it all need to be highly polished? Does it all need to be painted? It really just matters on what's going to be customer facing, and what affects that at the end.
If you're looking at something that is going to be in an assembly where it's going to be covered by another part, consider maybe loosening your surface tolerance. Do you need to have it have a high Class A finish if it's not going to be seen? That's something definitely to consider. And then also, if it is going to be seen, what areas of the casting won't be, so you can call out specific areas, and that way you're, instead of trying to get the whole casting to look immaculate, you're doing the areas that are most important while still having a great functioning casting without adding that extra cost.
When there's a specific call out for a certain product you have to hit, that's a big one, because when we do a lot of our coating too, it's going to be a standard powder coating, but if there's anything special or there's a special process that needs to go through, make sure that that's called out on there, because it could double, triple the price depending on what the specifics are on that spec.
Yep.